Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to look for a parking space. If I click the P there with the steering wheel, click it again, the first one it shows is parallel parking, and what we want to do is actually reverse lengthways in. So that's showing a spot there. I'm going to go further and just see if it'll get in there. So there we go, it's showing a spot. I'm going to select reverse. It says steering interv, check area around vehicle. I'm checking. I'm going back. I'm extremely nervous because there's a lovely Range Rover next to where I'm parking. So that's, it's showing reverse still. I'm going to put it forward. Go forward. It's bonged. I overrode it on the other one. It's telling me to go forward again. It is quite a tight space as you would expect on it's bonged again, put it back in reverse. I actually overrode it before it bonged a couple of times before because I'm extremely nervous. But as you can see there, that's absolutely perfectly parked there, if you can see that, and also there, right smack in the middle, which is brilliant. That's how you use the assisted parking.